Hi everyone! Welcome to ViWizard's YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Tidal with Mixxx, which is a popular open-source DJ software. Now, here's the thing, Mixxx doesn't officially support Tidal. If you check Tidal's list of DJ partners, Mixxx isn't on it. But no worries. There's a super simple way to get your Tidal music into Mixxx using ViWizard Tidal Music Converter. I've linked it down in the description, so make sure to check it out. Alright, here's how it works. Step 1, open up ViWizard and set your preferences. You can choose the audio format, bitrate, and sample rate to Tidal's highest sound quality. Or just leave it on the default lossless option for the best sound. Step 2, find the songs, albums, or playlists you want from Tidal. Click Add Music and drop them into the conversion list. Step 3, hit Convert and ViWizard will take care of the rest. It's super quick and really easy. Once the conversion is done, head to the converted list to check out your files. Now, open Mixxx, find those downloaded Tidal tracks, and just drag them into the deck. That's it, no Tidal login, no add-ons needed. If you run into any issues, check out the full guide linked below or leave me a comment and I'll be happy to help. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.